Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good and well and enjoying the sunshine.
Yeah.
So today's video is going to be a quick workout. I have been loving barre lately. So today's workout is going to be a ballet inspired barre workout. So at the minute I'm in the middle of filming a 7 days of barre video that I'm going to upload. So I'm going to be talking about like the pros and cons of barre. Before I upload that one, today's video is going to be a barre workout that I have kind of made up myself and inspired by workouts that I have done. So if you're looking for a quick barre workout, then this will hopefully be the perfect. Why do I always do this? Always when I talk I end up like this. Like, what am I actually doing? Anyway, if you are looking for a really quick simple barre workout to do, then hopefully this will be perfect for you. Just want to mention the elephant in the room. I am barefaced today. I am trying to embrace my face without makeup more. I'm going to be 30 in like 4 days, and I spoke about this on my Instagram stories this morning about having birthday resolutions. So one of my birthday resolutions is to just be myself more, embrace my face, and hopefully I will feel better for it. So yeah, let's just get into the video, get into the workout. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do like it, please do give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I've got lots more videos planned and I'm really looking forward to uploading the 7 days of barre one. I've got a 7 days of barre video that I'm going to upload talking about how I feel like it's changing my body, and then I'm going to do a 30-day of barre as well, so it's going to be 2-part video. I'm really excited about uploading them, but yeah, I hope you enjoy this video.
Hey, I got a confession. Been losing all momentum. Just because it's easy, well, that don't make it better. I wanna dig my hands deep down in the dirt, take a walk along the street if I'm feeling dessert. All of this convenience just doesn't work for me. I wanna play with fire, let me get hurt. Can we take it back to 95, before we had this drama in our lives, just staring at the screen every day and night. I miss the rush of living in real life. Go get your DeLorean. Oh, I miss the summers with you and never swipe left to right. Ah, snuck in your window, no friend request, no, just spent the night. I had to walk right up to your locker and risk you saying, boy, just don't bother. I know this all just makes me sound ancient, but sons and daughters, that shit was amazing. Can we take it back to 95, before we had this drama in our lives, just staring at the screen every day and night. I miss the rush of living in real life. Go get your DeLorean. Yo, what you got in that bag? Candy, cigarettes, and a Playboy mag? Man, you used to have to work for that. Wait for me, gotta dial up. Can't call my landline cause it's all tied up. Just bike over then.
So that is the end of the video. I hope you did enjoy it. I'm going to write the description of that workout in my description box, so then if you want to screenshot that or write it down separately, then you can go and do the workout yourself. But yeah, I hope you did enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you did enjoy it, please do give it a little thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.